Hey everyone, we the students of Bharati Vidyapit College of Nursing Sangli are here before you with this short video celebrating World Heart Day to highlight the actions you can take to prevent and control cardiovascular diseases. The COVID-19 pandemic has shone a spotlight on the healthcare profession and our individual responsibilities to care for our own health and the vulnerable in society. So this year the theme is Use Heart to beat cardiovascular diseases.
What is a heart? A heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood through our body. Its location is at the center of the chest. As it keeps one alive, it poses an utmost risk, that is, cardiovascular disease. It's mostly seen in developing countries where there is sedimentary lifestyle. There should be a need to prevent this. And to prevent this, one must do exercise daily, no overeating, no smoking, and eat healthy heart diet. People, the heart beats for everyone, so there is a responsibility to protect it.
The term cardiovascular disease refers to any disease of the heart, vascular disease of the brain, or disease of the blood vessels. More people die from cardiovascular disease worldwide than from any other cause, over 17.9 million every year.
According to the World Health Organization of this date, 80% are due to the coronary heart diseases, for example heart attacks, and cardiovascular diseases, for example stroke, and mostly affect low and middle income countries. Thank you.
Do you know that your heart is the size of your fist and the strongest muscle in your body? It started beating about 3 weeks after you were conceived. And if you live to be 70, it will beat up to 2.5 billion times.
Use heart for society, your loved ones and you. We don't know what course the pandemic will take in future, but we all know that taking care of our hearts is much important than ever. Individuals, community and businesses are responded to this pandemic in incredible ways, supporting each other and the healthcare professionals and vulnerables in society.
So this year, on 29th September, a campaign is asking the world to use heart to beat cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the number one cause of death on the planet. It is a class of disease that involves heart or blood vessels. It includes coronary artery diseases such as angina and myocardial infarction that commonly known as heart attack. Cardiovascular diseases has many causes from smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity to air pollution and rare and neglected conditions such as Chagas disease and cardiac amyloidosis.
However, although impressive and strong, your heart can be vulnerable from habitual risk factors like smoking, having unhealthy diet or putting it under stress. Controlling these key risk factors and monitoring blood pressure regularly may reduce individual risk of CVD.
In the time of COVID-19, CVD patients are faced with the double-edged threat. Not only are they more at the risk of developing severe forms of the virus, but they may also be afraid to seek ongoing care for their hearts.
Use Heart is about using your head to understand what it takes to live a heart-healthy life and to act on that knowledge, changing your behavior for a better quality of life now and in the future. As an employer, to invest in the heart health of your employees. As a government, to implement policies and initiatives that will lead to better societal heart health, such as sugar taxes, smoking bans, and reducing air pollution.
Use heart is using about your compassion to look beyond the self and act in the way to support the most vulnerable in the society and the underlying heart-related condition that may put in the greater risk at the time of COVID-19.
Use heart to make a better choices. We can all look after our heart and help to prevent cardiovascular disease by eating a healthy diet. Say no to tobacco, sticking to safe alcohol guidelines, and getting plenty of exercise. Setting an example for our children and loved ones.
Use heart to listen to your heart. If you have an underlying health condition such as heart diseases, heart failure, high blood pressure, diabetes or obesity, don't let COVID-19 stop you attending your regular checkups and never avoid calling the emergency services if you need to. It's safe and medical professionals are there for you. Thank you.
Use heart to thank you the healthcare profession. The pandemic has led to an outpouring of support for nurses, doctors, researchers and carers. As we build toward the World Heart Day 2020, we will continue to showcase the stories of these frontline heroes and their patients. as a part of our heart heroes.
It is a powerful platform for positive changes and help people to live longer and better healthy life. So let's take part in this campaign for your heart and help us to make this World Heart Day more impactful than ever. Use heart to beat cardiovascular diseases for your society, your loved ones and you.